Hey everyone, it's Weston DW Monster Jam fan again. Today's February 2nd, 2017. I haven't made a video in a long time, and I have 11 trucks here, more than my last video, I think, which was with 8 monster trucks, and this one is 11. Yes, it is really insane. I'm going to Kansas City Monster Jam tomorrow at the Sprint Center, so I'm going to be going there tomorrow, and we're going to probably make a video about that tomorrow. Being with 8 drivers. Tomorrow I think we're going to get all the drivers done. I do go to St. Louis, but we couldn't make it to St. Louis because obviously it made it instead. It was December 3rd, 2016. Why would they do it in December? That's nuts. They usually do it in February, but they did it in December. That is not cool. So let's start with our first truck. First truck is from Case E. Yes, for 2016. Let's see, number 28, a Prowler. Number 29, a gray, silver grave digger. 30, white Avenger. 31, son of a digger. 32, white higher education. Number 33, dragon. Okay, I will tell you, it is not these 4. It's 29 or 30. The number is, it's 29. Silver Gravedigger. Love this truck so much. I love it so much. I actually really wanted this truck to back. Plus, on the Superstore, Monster Jam Superstore, I found 2 new Gravediggers. The purple Gravedigger and the Gravedigger Caltreads. If you did not know those trucks, you should probably see it on the Superstore because they'll blow your mind. And I got blown. So let's open this up. Finally, so glad to have this thing. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Let me That's awesome. That is super awesome. Dennis Anderson, I think he drives this truck last year. Plus, I'm very upset about this. He is retiring this year or next year. I think he's retiring this year. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna probably put this over here. Actually, what's perfect? Okay, let's see. Number 33, Green Gravedigger. 34, Jurassic Attack Caltreads. 35, Red Maxi. 36, Monster Rottweiler X-Ray. 37, Zombie. 38, Team Hot Wheels First Up. Okay, it is not these 3. It is one of these 3. 33, 34, or 35. The answer is 34. So happy to get this truck. So happy to get this truck. Loopers. So happy to get this truck. I got the Caltreads on this thing actually. Did not know who the driver is actually. Oh, and I have my Monster Jam shirt. Who is this signature? I don't know. But yeah, let's open this up. Another 2016. Oh my goodness. This feels amazing. I'm so happy to get this truck. Love the horns actually. white part. Horns, I think. No, these are the horns. I don't know what this part is called. Jurassic Attack. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Jurassic Attack is just like a dinosaur. That's a monster truck. Okay, this is my first 2017 truck on a video. I have a lot actually. I have 5 in this video. 5 2016. Yeah. No. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I could be counting this one. I'm actually not sure. So yeah. This is case A. That was case. The Jurassic Attack was case F, I'm supposing. This was case A, 2017. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it is not 1. It's not 6. And it's not 8. The answer is number 5, Hot Wheels. Oh my goodness. This feels amazing. Now, how do I put this thing on? I'm probably gonna need help. How to get this thing on? Let me see the instruction. Oh. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Oh my goodness. What's cool is we have the Hot Wheels and the world's coolest car company. Oh, that is so sweet. And it has a right here. This Hot Wheels is awesome. Racing Hot Wheels. Love it so much. Oh my goodness. Next one is 2016. Now this case, I have actually no idea which case this is. This is in. Case H, I, or J, I guess. I don't know if case I even exists. So let's see. So 62, 63, 64, 62 El Toro Loco, 63 Monster Rottweiler X-Ray, 64 Jester, 65 Infinite Mudtreads, 66 Lucas Oil Crusader Mudtreads, 67 Samson, 68 Gravedigger, 69 Captain America. The answers are not the Mudtreads, Samson, El Toro Loco, Gravedigger, or Monster Rottweiler X-Ray. The answer is 64 Jester. Yes. Love it so much. I love this truck. So wanted to get it back. Man, these feel really good. They feel really shiny. What truck? Oh, yes. Let's see. Cannot tell what that thing is. Okay, okay, we have the clown. I actually have no idea if this is a clown. I don't think it's a clown. I don't know what this thing is called. We have green, blue, and purple. Yeah. Amazing truck. I would actually love this if Scott Buteau would drive this car. Not sure who the driver for Jester is. Okay, number 5 is, okay, this is also 2017 case A. 1 Great Digger, 2 Son of a Digger Chrome, 3 Mohawk Warrior, 4 Jester, 5 Hot Wheels, Jester X-Ray, 6 Altor Logo, 7 Predator, 8 Soldier Fortune. We already told you it's not these 3, plus this one because you unboxed it. Answer is number 7, Predator. You might be shocked about this one because this is a old truck, but I do not have this truck. I do have the X-Ray, but never ever got it with the regular version. Okay, so let's see if I can actually. My goodness, love this style. Man, it feels so soft. There you go, Predator. We have Predator here, and I think that's a picture of the Predator. So yeah, with yellow eyes. What? I'm not sure if this is actually okay, I got it tied in. So cool, yay. Oh. Okay. So there we go. Number 6. Also from Case A 2017. Okay, so it's not these. It's these 3. Son of a Digger, Chrome 2, Mohawk Warrior, Chrome 3, Jester X-Ray Body 4. Answer is number 4, Jester X-Ray. Second Jester. Oh. Still the same thing. Cannot read this. So actually, I actually have no idea if this. I think it actually can, but I'm not gonna put it on this one because. Okay, I'll get this done. Okay. Not sure if this is tight. I think it is. Yeah, it is. The Jester has the person and Jester, it says. This is a amazing truck. Alright, number 7 is another Case A. My final one. 2 Son of a Digger Chrome, 3 Mohawk Warrior Chrome. The answer is number 3, Mohawk Warrior Chrome. Now, I did find Son of a Digger, but we didn't get it. I will find it this year. But it's really easy to find the Son of a Digger. I'm pretty sure. Final 2017 truck for this video. My goodness. That's like, I think that's like my 7th. There it is. So you got the hair, you got the chrome. I love the chrome actually. Better than the purple, I think. We have the person, the Mohawk Warrior. We have the Mohawk Warrior and we have the person. George Bowhan is the driver of this truck. He is the driver of this truck. Number 8 is number 40 from 2015. It is the Dragon Edge Glow. Now, I think the driver for this truck is Scott Lindycoat. So cool. X-Ray. Yay! Oh, that's so cool. X-ray. That is so amazing. Love that. Oh. That is awesome. 2016. I have no idea if I actually said 2015 for this thing, but it is 2016. Okay, number 9 is Kate, and number 13. Okay, it is from Case B. I can tell you that this truck is from Case B. It is the Zombie Hunter. Oh yeah, need Titan actually, not the Mud Treads, because I am not a fan of the Mud Treads. My goodness, 16 minutes. Oh my goodness, I love this thing. A Ram. Okay, that's my brother in there. With the red eyes, the nose. This is a beautiful bronze Ram. Let me try this out. Yeah, I'll try it. That's so awesome. 2 more trucks to go, and then I'm ending this video. Number 10, number 38, Pirate's Curse. Now, I think the driver for this one is, let's see, it's Steve Sims, Jr. I think that's what it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm gonna need something for me to help you. Oh wait, never mind. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness, we have the sword on him. We have the sword, another sword, the hat, the scarf. My goodness, this truck feels so heavy. I love this truck so much. That is so amazing. Love that truck so much. Okay, this is the only 2015 truck, and I've been waiting for this truck a lot. Number 40, Doomsday! Oh. Doomsday! Okay, I've been waiting for this truck a lot. Oh my goodness. This truck is so amazing. I love this truck. It's so unbelievable. Yes. Look at it. Red Power Fist. Oh, and there goes 2 trucks. I'm sorry about this interruption thing. This Jim said we don't know the driver is the mysterious driver. All black, the red lights, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to WWE 5155. He is a awesome YouTuber that also does Monster Jam videos. This is amazing. Have fun, everyone. I will see you guys next time. Bye.